Oh, welcome to the Cooking Journal, man. Hey, woo, man, I got a good one for y'all today, man. Hey, today we're gonna do a spinach rice cheesy bake. And it's gonna show you the simplest way to do it. It's real good, it's quick, and if you're in a hurry, you need to get something done, and all your meal gonna be in one thing. So when you cook everything, you're gonna have your meats, everything, right off in there, your vegetables, everything. Man, y'all gonna really love this dish here. And man, I'm gonna top this video here, and probably by the next couple days, I'm gonna bring y'all another classic video. Man, on this channel here, be the first time on this channel. Man, y'all just keep staying tuned for the Cooking Journal, man. Hey, we working it out. Cooking Journal. Ask somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cooking Journal. I'm gonna show you the stuff that you're gonna need to make this dish. Now, use chicken breast, but these are tenderloins, same thing. You wanna get them there, tenderloins or chicken breast. You're gonna need some bacon. We're gonna need our rice. I'm using a can of spinach, which you can use fresh spinach, and you can use real rice if you don't want the boiling bags, but I'm in a hurry, my cameraman person in a hurry, so we gotta shoot this video. So we're gonna have some cheese. You're gonna need butter. The only season we're gonna use is salt, garlic powder, tonics, and black pepper, onions, and bell pepper. And since we ain't got a lot of time to really go to a lot of details, you're gonna take your chicken breast, you wanna boil it, and you wanna season it down with these seasonings, and you wanna also cut up you some onion, bell pepper, and put it in the water, and you go ahead and boil them. And then also you can also add your rice, because I got it in a bag in the too, and that way the rice will get the flavor in with it, and then it get done at the same time. And then you want to take your bacon and put it in the oven, because we're gonna make bacon bits out of this here. So come back and I'm gonna show you how it looks before I get ready to put it together. Cooking Journal. Ask somebody. Okay, welcome back to the Cooking Journal. You can see I got my water here. You ain't got to cut your vegetables up all fancy or none of that stuff. Just dump them in there. Chicken breast, you want to get them well seasoned. You see I got them well seasoned. I'm gonna put them in the thing, water, and then I'm also add my 2 bags of rice. Let it get that flavor there. And we're gonna put this on, and we're gonna boil it in 10 minutes for the rice, and about another 5 minutes for the chicken. Cooking Journal. Ask somebody. Alrighty, I got me some garlic and butter. I melted in the bottom of this pan where I'm gonna add my rice. I got my chicken boiled. It should be about done too. The rice is about done. I'm finna go ahead and dice my chicken up, mix it up, and I'm gonna show you how it look. Cooking Journal. Ask somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cooking Journal. Now I got my garlic and butter sauce on the bottom of here. I used the juice from the spinach that I put there on there too. And you went on use the juice because I wanted to dry out on me. And I got the garlic and butter on the bottom. Then you want to add your seasoned chicken on it, like this here. And I shredded it up like that. Let's get this on there. Put that on there like that. Okay. Then we got a pan of rice on the bottom. We're gonna add a little bit of rice to the top of this. Let's get this put in. Alrighty. Ooh, this stuff hot too. And I'm trying to get it done for you, because I got somewhere to go today. And so I said I'm gonna go and shoot this video for y'all. Alrighty, so get it spread out evenly. Then you wanna take you some cheese and sprinkle it. We're gonna put it in the oven on 350. And when this cheese melt, it's done. Alright, yeah, let me go ahead and add some of these bacon bits to it too. Top. All right, come back and I'll show you how it looks. Cooking Journal. Ask somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cooking Journal. Now I know you can do this here a lot of ways. Like I say, you can use fresh spinach if you wanted to, but this is the way I do it. It's a quick way to do it. It's simple, quick, and it's good. I love spinach. I love rice. Love cheese and bacon, and it all comes together. And it is all good, man. I'm telling you. I had this before, and I think you'll love it too. So hope you do, and we'll see you next time. Let's conclude this video. Cooking Journal. Ask somebody. Oh, there we go, man. Hey, man, I told y'all, hey, that was quick and easy. And y'all got to stay tuned for this classic video coming on after this video, man. Boy, I'm so excited. I got some stuff coming up. Oh, man, especially on the 24th, I'm going to be recording a video that I'm going to be doing at a show. But I'm going to bring it on this channel, too, so y'all can see. But it's going to be something. It's going to be a surprise. I'm going to let y'all find out, man. Hey, a lot of good stuff coming from the Cooking Journal. Man, y'all just stay tuned. Cooking Journal. Ask somebody.